Adi Bing, selamat lor.
Yo, quick.
Bola.
Wah, suka seneng banget.
Bola.
Reaction. Sontai.
Mr. GM.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Halo amigos, halo dunia. Apa kabar semuanya lor? Welcome back to my channel. Masih bersama gue Mr. GM. Nah, kita santai sejenak sambil menonton dan mereaksi video lor. Ini yang pastinya masih tetap spektakuler. Ingat lor ya, batik lor, batik. Simple tapi penuh makna. Yuk tonton videonya sampai habis. Baik lor, di kali ini kita akan mereaksi sebuah video ini yang pastinya masih super duper keren, gandos banget lor ya. Nah, dulurku semua, wah ini nih, pernahkah ya dulurku membayangkan sebuah negara yang memiliki begitu banyak penyanyi cilik legendaris. Nah, dan sebagian besar tetap dikenang bahkan puluhan tahun kemudian. Wah, di kali ini para musisi luar negeri ini dibuat terkejut saat mengetahui bahwa Indonesia memiliki tradisi panjang melahirkan penyanyi anak yang jos gandos, sukses, keren semua lur ya. Ini mulai dari tahun 70-an seperti itu, tapi ini sepertinya nggak lengkap banget loh ya. Tapi kita bahas aja lur. Ini mulai dari Adi Bing Slamet, terus Messi, Bondan Prakoso, Enno Lerian, Trio Kwek, Agnes Mo, Joshua, Serina, Tasya, Tina Tun, dan hingga banyak nama lainnya yang telah menghibur jutaan orang sejak kecil. Nah, yang paling membuat mereka kagum bukan hanya karena lagu-lagunya yang populer, tapi juga karena banyak di antara mereka ini juga berhasil membangun karir hingga dewasa dan tetap dicintai oleh para penggemarnya. Yuk kita lihat nih bagaimana reaksi para musisi luar negeri ini terhadap fenomena yang begitu khas di Indonesia ini. Jadi penasaran lur ya? Tapi sebelumnya jangan lupa lur, video ini di like, di komen, di share sebanyak-banyaknya, dan channel ini di subscribe. Lebih jelasnya lagi, tanpa panjang kali lebar, yuk kita simak sama-sama. Oke lur, ini dia video kerennya. Monggo.
Child singers and where they are now.
Wow.
Adi Bing, selamat lur.
The 70s. Damn, he was turning into a vibe.
Yeah, he was like, woo. He really embraced the 80s. How cool.
He focused more on acting. That's it.
That's awesome.
Yeah, his whole life
His whole life.
in the business.
See,
Although he's no longer active as a child singer, he remains one of Indonesia's most memorable child stars, and obviously active in the industry somehow. Damn, he must be fucking 60 now. This is crazy. So many of
so
these.
many. And you know what really blows me away is the fact that they remained in the industry for so long.
Betul sekali lur.
And it was a sound. All the songs all sound very similar.
Yeah. And it was obviously a commercial success
Yeah.
to have these hits.
She grew, stepped away from the entertainment industry. She later
That makes sense. This is the normal evolution.
She earned a
Tahun
medical degree.
90-an ini
Fucking
loh,
right, it's
saya.
not a normal evolution.
No, but it is the normal evolution to step away from the industry as you grow older and become an accountant or something.
That's crazy.
She's a doctor though. Freaking cool.
She's saving lives.
Keren lur ya, udah jadi dokter. Nah inilah lur ya kehebatan Indonesia dengan banyak sekali budaya, musisi, terus wah banyak banget lur. Apalagi ini penyanyi-penyanyi cilik Indonesia legendaris lur yang dari tahun 70-an sampai tahun 2000-an sepertinya lur ya. Ini membuat para reaktor luar negeri ini penasaran lur. para reaktor luar negeri itu penasaran bahwa kok Indonesia ada banyak sekali penyanyi-penyanyi cilik yang legendaris dan sampai sekarang masih banyak fansnya juga dan tetap disukai oleh masyarakat Indonesia. Pokoknya keren banget dan mereka semua keren-keren banget, sukses lur ya. Wah, Bondan.
Oh my god!
See, they had so many good stars.
Such a cool idea though to have so many.
Most successful former child
Tulis di
singers
kolom komentar lur, dulur kau nih umur berapa nih tahun-tahun kayak
in
gini?
the
nih?
80s.
That's crazy.
He became rock.
Rock musician.
Are you ready for this? Semuanya, let's go.
And Fade to Black.
What the fuck?
Bondan
He formed Bondang Prakoso and
and
Fade to Black. He's still active, singer, songwriter, bassist, vocalist, producer.
That is so cool.
3 decades he's going into.
That's actually awesome.
One example that it can be done.
Also, it just goes to show that there's some people that are born to be a star.
Well, the evolution must be so tough.
And if you think child stars struggle with identity issues, imagine what it's like to continue a career.
Ah.
I wonder how many of his fans were fans of him when he was a kid.
I bet. No, Lerian.
Wah, enak lur.
What a stunning little child!
Became Indonesia's most popular child singers in the early 1990s. TV host and actress. Fucking hell, the whole time in the industry.
She was 15. God, she looks 7.
From what she started at
Yeah.
7, 9, yeah.
Awas pada sambelnya, masih kecil makan disuapin
Kayak Evra lihat ya, lur.
Mate, the whole
The whole time.
bisa bantu mama. Mau mimi, mama yang buatin sayurnya pilih
30. She looks 20. How? Wow, those jeans.
sambelnya.
There seems to be a big transition, right? Once they hit their 30s and stuff, they really go into
Wow, kuek-kuek lur. Ayo, siapa yang pasti kenal semua sih lur.
1993. Damn.
They have really fun songs.
Kid groups were really popular in Indonesia.
Yeah.
Indonesia.
Sangat-sangat populer.
Oh, but they disbanded in 2001.
Katanya.
They became hosts, actors, and Alfandi became a fucking healthcare professional.
Doctor by profession.
Pamrik dari Paman Sam, super power namanya, Challenger pesawatnya, si Rambo jagoannya.
Belanda negeri kincir, katanya.
Oh, that's so cool to see them now. You'd be surprised how much that happens with artists. They
Yes.
fucking, when they're children, they just
Jam nama bendungannya.
dip.
Especially when they have like
Sedari dulu,
And they developed well.
it's really lovely actually. Reunion.
Trio quick.
sedari dulu, memang begitu.
Those are fucking zero latency.
Tapi baik hatinya.
Ah, how cool.
Indonesia negeriku, orangnya lucu-lucu, macam-macam budayanya. Indonesia tercinta,
And they get paid
Wah,
really
keren. Masih bagus suaranya lur.
ramah-ramah,
Agnes Mo.
A baby?
Yeah, I remember she was a child star, yes. It's perhaps one of the most successful child stars I've ever seen.
I think
think.
ever in the world.
Yeah.
Kecil banget ya Agnes
Agnes
Mo.
Mo, the kid.
She also became a baddie.
She had the whole transformation. She had the whole arc from child star to teenage star to balladeer and then baddie. Absolute pop hit. Come on, that placing?
She is indeed one of the most successful artists for the generation.
Iya betul sekali.
Also so global. She really created that global hit. Also, what a power move to have the microphone down here. Perfect grounding and projection.
They feel can
Joshua
impact
lor.
their society. Shout out
He
Joshua,
was
5.
years old. Ay, Dios mío.
Yeah, this is such a phenomenon.
The fact that there's so many.
That's crazy. The whole of Indonesia saw him grow up. He's an actor, stand-up comedian, and content creator.
Cool.
He still looks fucking 19.
He does. Aw, that's so cute though.
So totally, people grew
Oh,
up with him
Serena
and still
lor.
support him now.
Oh
Serena
my
and
god.
Derby. Oh shit.
He's so cute.
Biggest Xiao Sing is releasing her debut album in 1999
She gained even more popularity in the 2000s.
in a musical film.
Dia pikir merasa paling pintar dan paling
Outstanding, outstanding.
She's one of the most respected musicians and actresses.
Ya.
What?
They're gonna do a sequel.
Wah, keren
Yes.
suaranya lor ya.
I love her. My
Ya,
goodness.
aku sih yes.
Also, phenomenal choice of outfits.
And that's Derby.
Derby.
Yeah, they all develop really well.
And they also stayed in the industry for the rest of their lives, which is awesome to see.
malam demi malam sirih berganti.
Namun bintang-bintang terus menerangi
Hiasi menanti
dan menjadi saksi perjalanan kita yang sempat terhenti. Ku berjanji wahai gugusan misteri, kenangan indah ini akan
Keren.
I love that.
Aku juga.
Look at this one.
libur
Tasya,
It's such
Tasya
a
lor.
phenomenon.
ore
But they're so small.
lupakan keluh kesah
most popular child singers of the late 90s. Biggest child heart stars of the generation.
Mukanya itu tetap muda Lur ya.
Oh, cool!
Focus on education, makes sense. University became an active in environmental and public awareness campaigns.
That's so cool!
TV presenter. And it's crazy that they can still sell now. Like people
Yeah!
are singing their songs and they're selling out obviously festivals and shows.
I love the fact that they still sing their hits when they were babies.
That's what I mean.
Lagunya emang fenomena banget Lur ya, viral hingga sekarang pokoknya tetap bagus.
Tina Tuna.
Hati natun Lur.
Bala. Ba, ba. Bala, bala.
Sedang buat oleh Ska.
Oh, so cute! I'm sorry, but how old was this baby?
Stuck on you. I've got this feeling down deep in my soul that I just can't leave.
Transition into a television presenter.
A public figure.
Needed a friend.
Oh, how nice.
I feel now I decided that you could
They all develop into really good singers. It's really interesting.
on my way.
Oh, nice. She's a politician. Occasional person in the entertainment industry. Jakarta Regional House of Representatives.
That's incredible. See, I feel like this is a very Indonesian phenomenon.
Yeah, it doesn't really happen that well in the West. There's very
The
few cases.
transition, yeah, it's very small.
Happens more in acting,
But music, people tend to fade away after they grow up because they lose the charm. Bala bala,
Oleh Ska seneng banget.
bala bala.
Bondo-bondo.
she's still singing her hits. What the fuck?
I think it's because they were absolutely astronomical hits, you know. How old was she?
It's crazy because usually a year in the industry
Keren,
is
Lur, ya.
equal like 5 of normal time.
Yeah, generally.
But these people spend their whole life in business.
That is so impressive. I love the fact that people still love them. Even as they grew older, they didn't abandon their child stars. I love that.
Oke Lur, angel iki angel jos gagas. Lur wah pokoknya jos top markot top Lur. Seperti biasa Lur, video ini kita reaksi atas saran dari dulur-dulur semua yang baik hati dan juga tidak sombong serta rajin menabung. Bagaimana Lur, luar biasa banget Lur ya. Perjalanan para penyanyi cilik Indonesia ini menunjukkan bahwa bakat, kerja keras dan dukungan dari masyarakat dapat melahirkan karya yang dikenang lintas generasi. Nah, banyak nih musisi luar negeri mengaku kagum melihat bagaimana lagu-lagu anak-anak di Indonesia pernah menjadi bagian penting Lur dari industri musik dan bagaimana sejumlah penyanyinya terus berkembang hingga dewasa. Dan mereka melihat bahwa Indonesia ini memiliki sejarah musik yang kaya dengan penuh talenta yang sangat-sangat luar biasa Lur. Nah, meski zaman terus berubah, karya-karya para penyanyi cilik legendaris tetap hidup di hati banyak orang dan menjadi kenangan indah bagi berbagai generasi. Wah, keren banget. Nah, dulurku ya, menurut dulurku nih, siapa penyanyi cilik Indonesia yang paling berkesan dan lagunya masih sering didengar sampai sekarang? Tulis jawabannya di kolom komentar langsung Lur. Jangan lupa di like, di subscribe, di share, dan nyalakan loncengnya karena masih banyak banget nih lur ya reaksi dunia terhadap perjalanan luar biasa musisi-musisi Indonesia yang akan membuat kita semakin bangga. Yuk sama-sama kita teriakan bahwa video ini adalah Jos Gandos Top Markoto. Rasanya mantap di bawah ini lur ya, dan juga silahkan bagi semua jangan kiriman lagi notifikasi, langsung aja tulis di kolom komentar. Dan juga seperti biasa terima kasih banget nih untuk channelnya Wales Kahereda dan Mas Evra yang sudah mereaksi video keren tadi. Dan jangan lupa lur tetap pantengin channelnya Wales Kaherera ya lur ya, dan juga subscribe dan juga tongkrongin itu videonya keren-keren semua lur. Dan sekali lagi kami juga mengucapkan banyak-banyak terima kasih nih kepada dulur-dulurku semua. Semoga apa yang kita sajikan bermanfaat dan menghibur lur ya. Dan tetap kita mendoakan nih, semoga dulur-dulurku semua selalu diberikan kesehatan, diberikan kesuksesan, serta kewarasan. Jangan lupa lur, tetap dukung channel ini dengan cara di like, di komen, di share sebanyak-banyaknya. Dan mohon channel ini di subscribe agar channel ini dapat berkembang dan lebih maju lagi 4 km ke depan. Sampai jumpa di video berikutnya. Salam santai. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Reaction. Sometimes.